pretty big canvas. Put this one on the floor and set it on the table. I'm going to do the edges first with just some all white paint. Just to make sure I got all the edges covered. Want to make sure it's all covered. And now I'm going to get ready to put lay my white down for my negative space. And a good amount of white. I do use a lot of paint. And then I'm going to stretch it just so I can get most of it covered. Just stretching from side to side. Now I'm going to go ahead and get all the stuff that I need. I also like to add a little bit more paint, pop the air bubbles. And then I'm going to go ahead and start. Now my colors is yellow and black and gray is what I was going for. This is a commission piece for a client. And I didn't really know how I wanted to start it off, but I did a blowout in the beginning, which you would be able to see. And then it stretched too after I did the swipe on it. So you would be able to see that. But I just laid the yellow and the black and the gray down, took my blow dryer to blow it out. Also going to do the same thing on this side as well. I added a little bit of the Australian Floetrol in the middle of the blowout. And then I decided to just do a few swipes. So just layering the colors again, and then just going to go back and do a few swipes before I stretch it. I did also add some metallic silver spray paint in that part before I swiped. So that's what you're seeing me pour all over the painting. I actually really like how the metallic spray paint looks once the painting is dry. It gives that silver, the silver, it just shines so good. And I'm just adding a little bit more paint to the edges before I stretch again. So just going from east side to east side just to stretch. Of course, I knew the blowout wasn't going to stay the same, which is completely fine with me. I just wanted to add that in there to move the paint around. And I think it turned out great. Here are some close-up shots. Just some details. And like I said, that metallic silver it shines so good. So I really hope everyone enjoy. I will have some pictures at the end, the wet look, and then also a dry look. It's not 100% dry, but it's just a next day picture. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it.